Hello everyone, I'm making my supersized nachos. Me and a friend, we went out for a walk and now we're gonna have some nachos. And basically how I make my nachos, and I've done this video before, I layer them with some corn tortilla chips. And then what I do is I'll just start layering them with some cheese, some black beans. We could use any kind. This is a cheddar cheese that I got, so I'm putting that on there. And then these are basically Ortega. And then I add some. These are just diced tomatoes, no salt added. Diced tomatoes that I add onto them. And you could use any kind of bean. You could use kidney beans. You could use organic beans. Garbanzo beans. You could use pinos. And I have black beans. And then I have my, I put my meat. This is frozen, but I thawed it out slightly. And this is my picadillo that's been frozen. So I put that in there. And I'm going to tell you, if you want to do something for the kids and the family, this would be great. And then I'm going to go ahead and add so I've already done a layer like this. So I'm going to add some green onions. So voy a verdes. And then when you're finished, after you put it in the oven, you don't have to cover it. You put it on a low heat because you want to make sure that everything is going real low, and everything's going to be heated in the middle. And you can add refried beans if you want, but I'm cheating and this is really fast for me. And then I'm going to add some aguacate afterwards. This is avocado, and I'm going to dress it up with aguacate, and then some cilantro. You don't want to put the cilantro in there right now because it'll burn. Let me see. Okay, sorry, I'm jiggling. So it'll burn, so you can add the cilantro. And that's basically how you make your nachos. So just wanted to show you that real quick. We just went out for a walk. We're tired. And yeah, and it's cheap, and it's inexpensive, and it's delicious. Okay.